Hey everyone, Namaste, this is me Kanksha again, and today I want to talk about T20 World Cup. Of course, हर कोई अभी यही बात कर रहा है कि पाकिस्तान ने आखिरकार अपनी औकात दिखा दी, पाकिस्तान कह रहा है कि वो मैच खेलेगा, etc. etc. Okay, and a lot of scholars, so-called scholars living in this country, who thinks that they are really very intelligent, and just because they have power in their hands, they think that okay, we can take revenge from Pakistan just by playing this match, right? मतलब जो वो हमारे पहलगाम अटैक में 2025 अप्रैल में जो हमारे देश में हमारे देश के लोगों के खिलाफ जो साजिश रची गई थी आतंकवाद की, और उसमें जो हमारे लोगों ने जान गंवाई थी, तो यहाँ लोगों को लगता है इस देश में कि उसका बदला ये मैच खेल कर ले लेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन यू से दैट इट्स इंडिया अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान मैच, लेट्स स्टॉप कॉलिंग इट इंडिया अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान मैच. And I hope people can understand the difference between when we say India against Pakistan and India with Pakistan. And why I'm saying it that it's India with Pakistan, because it's not like कि अगर मैच पाकिस्तान हार जाती है तो उनको इससे कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिलने वाला है, उनको फाइनेंशियल कोई इससे बेनिफिट नहीं मिलने वाला है. It's not like that, right? Doesn't matter they win or lose, they are gonna get their money. And what are they gonna do with that money? They're gonna sponsor that terrorism against our people, just like Pahalgam attack. How can you forget that thing, yaar? How can you forget? I mean, we cannot expect anything from these Indian politicians, okay? They don't have morality, they don't have any ethical values. But at least being an Indian, we can expect some humanity from each other. Because आज जो 26 families who are the victim of that terror attack, one day no one knows, there is no guarantee, one day it would be me and you, there is no guarantee. So I think we should boycott this thing, and we should make our government realize, we should make the BCCI realize, at any cost this is not going to work. Our people lost their families, their close ones. They're still grieving. How can we forget this thing, yaar? How can we forget this thing? When our Prime Minister goes to the foreign visits, he keeps saying it that, India has a zero tolerance policy against terrorism. We are against terrorism at any cost. But then again, what happened to this? Especially when we know that Pakistani army is actually funding ISI commanders, they're actually training ISI commanders, they're actually weaponizing ISI commanders. They're doing it openly, there is no hesitation, there is no curtain. So how can you say it? How can you even allow it? And yet again, we are playing. I mean, sports is above, in this country, sports is above patriotism, sports is above someone's grief, sports is above someone's emotions, right? What do you think? You don't have any kind of responsibility towards those 26 victim families? Do you think you don't have any responsibility to boycott this match against Pakistan? It's not about just one match. I am saying just boycott it for the entire season, for the entire lifetime. Just say that we are not going to play at any cost ever again. When it comes to politics, people keep saying, these Indian politicians, they keep saying कि अच्छा Pakistan को ये funding हो रही है. Let me ask you one thing, that when we talk about Russia and Ukraine, what the world is saying, why world is pressuring India to stop buying oils from Russia? Because they feel that somehow we are funding Russia to attack on Ukraine, right? This is what America said, this is what European countries said. Then what do you think? What are we doing by playing cricket with Pakistan? Aren't we just funding their terrorism? It is exactly like this. Why are we not talking about that? Just think about those families. How are they gonna feel? कि जिस पाकिस्तान से वो आतंकी आए, जिस पाकिस्तान की वजह से वो आतंकियों ने आकर के हमारे अपने लोगों को मारा, जिस मिनिस्टर्स ने, जो इतने सारे मिनिस्टर्स, चीफ मिनिस्टर हों, चाहे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी, he also met the victims' family, and he said, yeah, we are together in this, we are standing with you. This is how you are standing with the people living in this country. There is no guarantee about my security, there is no guarantee about your security. Then it was those 26 people. No, I don't know when it's gonna be me or you. It's gonna be anyone ever. And I think this is where we need to take our stand. This is where we need to raise our voice. This is something very serious. There was a time जब ये JP आंदोलन and a lot of movements happened, right? उस वक्त पे ये डिजिटल मीडिया नहीं था. तब सरकार तक हमारी आवाज पहुंचाने के लिए we had to protest. We had to leave our home, our livelihoods and etc. and go join the protest so that we can make our point clear to the government. But today we have social media. Just use it. This is our strength. Use this social media as our weapon. अपनी सरकार तक अपनी आवाज पहुंचाओ that we don't want this match. But no one is talking about that. Yeah, we shouldn't play this match. Everybody is talking. Yeah, Pakistan ने अपनी औकात दिखा दी. Pakistan. Why do you even need to know that Pakistan ने अपनी औकात दिखा दी? We already know. They have shown us this since a long time. So my point is, just ask Jaisha, why is he not human? Just because he is protected, he has a huge security. तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है ना that you cannot understand the pain of those 26 victims' family. And first of all, being an Indian, you should understand. Whoever is watching this video, I think just go and ask this government, go on Twitter and just tag them and just say, why are you even playing this match? It's not like they're not gonna get fundings. At the end, I have just one thing to say. If you're gonna watch that match, I don't think that you are patriotic. I don't think that you are human. I don't think that you are nationalist. Because whoever is patriotic, I think they're gonna boycott this match. Just like in the previous match, we have seen a lot of people boycott it. A lot of news outlets, they didn't cover that match. And this time again, it should be happening. And the ratio should increase. It shouldn't decrease. And so I have just one thing to say. Just because last time, of course, there were people who boycott that match. But a lot of people were there who actually watched this. And I think this is the biggest reason that they have taken us for granted. The BCCI has taken us for granted. They think that people are going to watch it at any cost. Somehow, somewhere, they know our weakness. And that is the biggest reason that they are again letting our players play that match with Pakistan. So until unless you are not going to show them that no, we don't want this, they're not going to stop it.